All right, so for this week, it's week 8. You guys will be getting your report cards, and I'm going to visit with each of you about that because we need to make sure we all have the same common understanding, even though this situation does not set itself up for everybody being all on the same page. So we're going to work on that. So actually, this week, you guys are working for your FAC fluency. I put in some division, and I have everybody working on division. You just need to do the top for sure. If you have extra time, you can practice. So I'm going to do the same thing that I did for my multiplication facts. I'm going to skip count across the top. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. So then when I go here, just the division, I would count up to 22. So if these are by twos, I would count how many does it take to get to 22. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 22, 16 divided by 2 is 8. 24 divided by 2 is 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6. And another way to see this, just so you know, is half. So 10 divided by 2, it's the same as half as. So half of 10 is 5. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 14 divided by 2 is 7. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 14 divided by 2 is 7. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 24 divided by 2 is 12. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Sorry. 16 divided by 2 is 8. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 20 divided by 2 is 10. 24 divided by 2 is 12. 4 divided by 2 is 8. Or no, see? Doesn't matter. Slow down. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 20 divided by 2 is 10. 12 divided by 2 is 6. I almost said 24. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 22 divided by 2 is 2. 11. 16 divided by 2 is 8. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 14 divided by 2 is 7. 20 divided by 2 is 10. 14 divided by 2 is 7. 12 divided by 2 is 6. And again, you can look up here, count how many times it takes to get to that number. 16 divided by 2 is 8. 22 divided by 2 is 11. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 20 divided by 2 is 10. 24 divided by 2 is 12. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 14 divided by 2 is 7. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And 12 divided by 2 is 6. All right.